Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is my midterm exam on English lesson 03 with subject is complex sentence with verb clause and adjective clause. Before the subject, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferry Indra Subianto. I am student class on University Amikam Yogyakarta with class is dedicating informatic engineering 03. So that is my information and my profile. Next is the first one is adverb clause. Adverb clause is clause that function as a verb to modify the main clause and also using when, where, why, and how an action occurs. The example is the first one is after versus once. After is indicated that one action happened later than another in normal sequence. Example: I went home after I finished my class. Next is once or as soon as means that the second action happened immediately after the first one. Example: as soon as the rain stops, we will go outside. Next is when versus whenever. When used for a specific time or specific event. Example: call me when you arrive at home. Example. The next one is whenever. Mean every time that something happen. Example is whenever she feel tired, she drink a coffee. Next one is when versus by the time. The when is I explain on my for the slide. So I explain the by the time. By the time is emphasis that something has already happened before another event occurs. Example: by the time I arrive, the meeting has finished. Next is because versus now that. Because give a general reason for something. Example: he stayed home because he was sick. The second is now that mean a new situation that changed a thing. Example: now that I have a car, so I can travel more easily. Next is even though versus even if. Even though use it for a fact that is real. Example: even though it was raining, we continue the trip. So it's even though. Next is even if. Use it for hypothetically or possible situation. Example: I will help you even you don't pay me. Next is adjective clause. Adjective is function like adjectiving or providing extra information about noun or pronoun in sentence. It always contains subject and verb and begin with relative pronoun like who, whom, which, that, or was, or a relative adverb like when, where, and why. The clause help answer question like which one or what kind and can be used to make sentence more descriptive and complex. Next, the first one is relative pronouns. Who is referring to people as the subject of the clause. Example: the student who won the competition is my friend. Next is whom, refer to people as the subject of the clause. Example is the teacher whom we met yesterday was very kind. Next is which, refer to animal or thing or something. Example: the laptop which I bought last week is very fast and very best. The next relative pronoun is that, refer to people, animal, or thing in essential clause. Example: the book that you gave me is very interesting. Next is was is showing the possession. Example: the girl whose phone was stolen is crying. The next is relative adverb. The first one is where, refer to a place. Example: this is the cafe where I usually study. Next one is refer to when. refer to a time. Example, I remember the day when we first met. This one. The next one is why. Refer to a reason. Example, I don't know the reason why he left early. Next. Next is explaining the essential versus non-essential clause and give example. The first one is essential clause. Give important information needed to identify the noun, no comma. Example, the student who study hard will pass the exam. The car that she drives is very fast. The next one is non-essential clause. Read extra information not needed for identification and also using a comma. Example, my brother who lives in Bali is photographer. The book which I bought yesterday is very expensive. The clause is using another information and also using the comma. I think this all is the subject I explained, and thank you for your time and for listening my video and my explaining. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.